Alright, 511 East Belt Boulevard. Camera in the sewer in the back bathroom after a repair. Okay, so PVC is just to clean out and stub up as a PVC. Looks like some old cast iron, hasn't been used in a while, looks kind of rusty. Some toilet paper, somebody's been using this bathroom apparently. A lot of scale falling off. Doesn't look like, from what the light is flashing on, that anything's broken. The top, you can see the top really well. That looks a little like the scaling coming off the sides. You can see the top doesn't look cracked. This is the turn into the
PVC right there.
PVC. This is the repair that we just made.
Stop right there. Back up a little bit, right where the turn starts. So right there, the top is still cracked, but it doesn't show up on here.
No.
And that's where the issue comes in, because it's still there, showing the top is cracked. So right at the repair joint, right there, it's still cracked up top.
Okay.
So we don't know how far back that crack goes.
Nope.
Okay. And that's what we talked about today, going back far enough until there's no crack.
Sure. Yeah, just let me finish making this video and now we're back into the cast iron. Where's this our repair?
That was a repair, man.
This is our repair. So there was a repair made already?
Yeah, me.
It's 15 feet back from where your repair is. So it starts at 7 feet back and goes all the way back to 15 feet from where we just made the repair. Huh.
45.
Yeah. So there's only 7 feet of cast iron from that repair
So the next repair.
to the next one. That is our repair. Coming out. Now we're going into the slab underneath that new kitchen. You can see that no water has been going through this in quite some time. It's bone dry in there. There you go. You're outside. So that, what you're looking at right there, is probably the T that goes up to that clean out just outside the back door. I'll back up a little bit. This is a fitting. T pointing straight up to go up just outside that back door.
Yeah.
And now we're going to go down that pipe just outside the back door all the way out to the manhole. Come on, dirt. No. I'll just keep pushing it and then back up. Into the manhole. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it all the way into it because it's holding water, but you're looking at the entrance to that manhole out front, out on the side over there. If I took the top off of it, it's full of dirt, full of water, full of trash. So the city needs to come and clean that out. And that would kind of be on the owner to point out to the city, like somebody needs to come pop that manhole, look down in there. It's got about that much mud sitting in it, trash, all kinds of stuff. Pull that back for me. That's it. Slowly.
Okay, so
Slowly and then
don't put it all the way yet. Let me show you something over here. So I have a ceiling.
Es tierra, que está sucio, que no han limpiado.
No, los plásticos, ¿no he visto? Hay otro. Dos palitos de hueso.
No, desde ayer lo vimos que tiene 2 pedazos de plástico, un pedazo de PVC que habían reparado.
para, esta mía tenía.
Se tapó el hoyo, pues. Porque está corriendo el agua, bueno, no hubiera corrido agua en la paisa donde puse, donde tapé abajo, todavía parece que tapó el hoyo, el franco. Lo dejaste que ahí donde está la reparación.
Lo que está afuera.
Ahí donde apuntamos ahorita, ahí anda ya. O es el otro, es el segundo.
Igual.
Este quiere hacer una cosa y los otros no quieren hacer nada.
Acá para la Santa hay que meter un chingo de billetes, ¿no? Techo, todo para electricidad, todo para que reparan un billetón tienen que meter, ¿no?
Mira, a veces cuando tú vas a hacer algo así, a veces el dueño del business te da hasta $50,000, $100,000, depende de lo que vas a hacer y lo que le hace invertir.
Depende también cómo están.
No, escuchame. Si tú vas a hacer un restaurante, te vas a hacer un amigo hizo un restaurante, le dio
Yeah, and then once you get it all the way out, press the camera and turn it off.
Okay.
And then we're done.
Yo sin su mujer también tiene otro business. Yo sin su mujer tiene otro business también. ¿Tú conoces a su mujer?
¿De quién? ¿De yo?
Ah. Igual también un chingo de eso, tú tienes.
De tatuajes. ¿Tienes tatuajes también? Hay mujeres tan
Parece que... como machona se ve.
Hay mujeres tan lindas, pero tienen unos tatuajes. No me toca rellenar hoy.
No sé cómo... digo,
Cobras buen billete por eso,
¿no? ¿No quiere pagar?
No, el otro no quiere pagar, este sí quiere pagar.
Este tiene en Maryland. Tiene su placa en Maryland. Tiene su placa en Maryland.
You don't have any water on the ground.
Sí, porque ahí tiene que tener la licencia para eso. Vas a poner...
If it was something, there's no sewer over on that side, you said